In this video, I'll show you how to set an alarm on your Realme 15S step by step. First, open the clock app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on the alarm section if it's not already selected. Now tap on the plus icon to create a new alarm. From here, you can choose the exact time you want. For example, if you want the alarm at 7 a.m., simply set the hour in minutes. After that, you can custom the alarm settings. You can select the days you want the alarm to repeat, like weekdays or every day. You can also change the alarm ringtone, enable vibration, and set snooze options, depending on your preference. Once everything looks good, tap on Save or the checkmark icon to create the alarm successfully. And that's how you can set and customize an alarm on your Realme 15. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android tips and tutorials.